Hello and welcome to our newborn photography safety series brought to you by StandInBaby. My name is Sandra Moffat, and in an effort to make sure that we bring you all the information and facts relating to newborn safety, joining me throughout this series is well-respected neonatal nurse Anne-Marie Fieri, who will be advising us on the essentials to safely working with newborns in a studio environment. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about safety issues with newborn photography. But before we start, I'd like to say that if you are unsure about anything you hear during this series, please seek advice from a medical practitioner near you and get the answers that you need. If you have been given information from other sources, make sure it's a reliable source because the health and well-being of our clients should always be put first. In our studio, we actually like to start with the hands under chin pose. I can put the baby down, I can settle the baby, and I can do some simple movements to achieve that pose without unsettling it. When I put the baby down, I want to put it down while its eyes are still open. I want it to know where it's going down, because if it is to unsettle it all during my process of moving and articulating it and getting it into the poses that I need, it is still in a familiar place. It still knows where I put it down. Before we put the baby down, we actually have a rolled up towel underneath for support. It's actually going to create a shelf that the baby is going to lay on. It goes down towards the front, and the other